Fix Windows Update Error 0x80080005 and Office Error 30016-22 easily. Step 1. Error code 0x80080005 indicates Windows Update issues, often caused by Internet or firewall settings. Step 2. Error code 30016-22 affects Microsoft Office installations, often linked to antivirus interference. Step 3. Temporarily disable Windows security and antivirus software like McAfee or Norton for smooth updates. Step 4. Run an SFC scan in command prompt to repair corrupted system files and resolve issues. Step 5. Use the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant to fix Office installation problems effectively. For more help, visit our website for detailed solutions. @unlicensed product.